broadly speaking in tech, you have Nvidia backing off today, but still mostly holding all of that gain that led up to its numbers. Where does that leave you in terms of feeling like whether tech is, already figured out the big AI opportunity or has more to go?
Hi, Mike. We think the tech trade is still alive and well. August, we just heard that there are money flows into the tech sector. I think that was a smart move because the tech sector did give back some gains in August because of higher interest rates and some seasonality. But in Q2, we saw an 8% earnings surprise for the tech sector. For Q3, estimates are going up by nearly 4%. So we're still quite bullish on the tech sector, and we think there's still a long runway for the AI-driven growth.
Now, we do, of course, always talk about the tech sector or the Magnificent Seven or the big tech as a category, but there is a lot of diversity within the group. We have AMD, for example, has struggled as Nvidia has done well. Where within the sector do you feel as if there's still that long runway?
Well, I think from Dell's news today, it looks like some of the downstream effects from AI is starting to pop up in other companies. So for Dell's example, I think the momentum can continue there. They had a wonderful earnings report. The company has somewhere between a 15 to 20% server market share. Estimates for mid-single digits. I think that's going to be ramped up. But, a lot of companies don't want to be left behind in the AI race. So they're going to want to upgrade their servers for servers that are more optimal for running AI chips. So I think there's a lot of opportunities in some of these downstream plays.
Yeah, it is remarkable, that move in Dell today, getting it up toward a $50 billion market cap. It was kind of left as a no-growth story for long until basically last night. When it comes to Nvidia, I do know there's been some scrutiny on the guts of its report, mainly maybe some excessive reliance on just a couple of big customers, and then just this radical upward pricing in its key AI-related processing products, mainly feeding this idea that maybe it's a relatively short-lived binge of a ramp-up in this investment cycle, and it's going to peter out from there. How would you deal with that?
Well, we wouldn't agree with that. I think, from just an overall market opportunity for AI, we see multiple, perhaps multiple decades in terms of AI growth. I mean, I do believe that from a lot of these AI executives saying that this is the sort of new beginnings of very similar to the internet birth, in the 1980s to 1990s. This is similar in our view. So a multiple decade growth opportunity. So perhaps there's things in the AI, in Nvidia's report that perhaps bearish investors or speculators, if you wouldn't like. But there were also a lot of things that I thought were very, very strong. We're still scratching our heads a little bit about the $25 billion buyback, but nevertheless, as investors, we still like that.